Vintage electric go-kart, build log number 1. This is the vintage go-kart kit from GoPowersports.com. I've assembled the rolling chassis just to see how it looks. I think it will be the perfect base for this electric go-kart. Let's go over some of the parts that will be on this thing. Here we have the motor. This is a Motenergy ME1718. It's good for up to 72 volts, spins at up to 4,000 RPM, and should give us plenty of power. Here's the custom back panel that we plan to add behind the seat. This will house the controller and the battery management system. The charger will be from Chargery, and the controller will be a Kelly KLS 72501 8080 IPS. Here's the battery pack. This is made up of 40 Headway 38120 HP cells. This will be a 20S 2P configuration. The nominal voltage should be about 64 volts and is just under 1 kilowatt hour. The BMS comes with a state of charge LCD screen that we plan to mount on the front of the cart behind the steering wheel using a 3D printed part. The switches for controlling the cart, forward and reverse, turning the cart on, Eco mode, will live on another 3D printed part just under the steering wheel between the frame. And that's it for this update. Stay tuned for more, as we should have a lot of parts arriving in the coming weeks, and we're planning to take a trip to a friend's house to do some of the metal work we need to mount the motor. Should be really exciting. Take care.